Hey guys, we got us a clogged up sink here. Let's see what we have. So first thing I'm gonna do is just go for the, take the cap off the drain approach here. So you see that thing's got a, oh, that thing's even stuck. Oh, great. I went and stuck it. Oh man, I'm gonna have to go underneath and see if I can, no, that's a spring loaded one. Ah, crap, I did it now. Let's see what I can do. It's supposed to pop back out. Trying to fix the problem, I made it worse. All right, let's see if maybe I can, oh, there we go, it came loose. I turned it a little bit, see, and this is what I was trying to do anyway, but I shouldn't have pushed on the darn thing. But there we go, I'm just gonna turn that and see how bad the problem is. Set that sucker aside, clean that up. Set that in a good one over here. I can't really tell what's going on, so I'm gonna go after it with my hemostats first, just see if I can dig around and pull anything out of there. Oh yeah, there's our problem. So these hemostats are so freaking nice to have. If you don't have, oh, hear that? It's the sound of success. Let me get the trash bin over here, because this is common. This happens. Oh, look at that, it's already draining. Nice. Yep. Oh, this thing's gonna be free flowing in no time. Yep. Oh, this will be an easy fix here. Just pull all that stuff out of there. I've unclogged more drains with these hemostats than you can imagine. I got lucky on this one. Sometimes it plugs way up way up the line. Look at that, it's unclogged basically. It's just kind of getting everything I've done out of there. Alright, one thing about being a good plumber, or DIY plumber, but just a plumber, drain unclogger in general, just a good cleanup when you're done. Make it look like there's a be able to wash your hands, so don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Get it all clean, make it look good, make it look better than when you showed up. Oh yeah, there we go. It's really good. Get the cap all nice and clean too. Wrap in there. Keep that thing from sticking again. That baby back on there. Yeah, there we go. All right, just like new. Okay, hey, thanks for watching.